Ever had her wrap you in a hug that made your pulse quicken, yet you walked away wondering if she even thought about you afterward? Imagine this. What if the way you react in that single moment could make you linger in her thoughts for days? Picture it. She leans closer, arms circling around you. That's not just contact, it's a secret language. In that tiny instant, your body speaks louder than anything you could say out loud. Here's the thing, most guys blow it. They stiffen up or treat it like some casual bro hug, but that's the opportunity. Handle it with quiet confidence, and you'll leave an impression that stays with her. First, pay attention to her vibe. Is the hug quick and polite, or does it stay warm and close? If she holds longer, that's not random, it's a signal. Think of Stoic wisdom here. Don't rush in with knee-jerk reactions. Instead of instantly hugging back, pause for just a beat. Let her sense that you're fully there. Calm, centered, grounded. That pause, it creates intrigue. It silently shows her you're not desperate for approval because you already know your worth. Now return the hug with intention, not too hard, not too soft. Place one hand lower on her back, the other near her shoulder. Solid, steady. Avoid rubbing her back that comes off jittery. Just hold with purpose, like you're telling her, I see you. Remember, being stoic doesn't mean cold, it means in control. She should sense your composure, not your nerves. That's what makes the difference between a boy and a man in her mind. Here's the curveball. When you let go, don't rush. Let your hand linger just half a second longer. Meet her eyes, but hold off on the smile. Let her search your expression, and then give her a subtle, knowing smile. Nothing flashy, just enough to spark curiosity. That slight delay, it builds anticipation. And anticipation is what turns moments into memories. After that, don't rush to fill the silence. Silence can be powerful if you own it. Say only what matters. A simple, good to see you, spoken slowly and grounded lands with way more weight than nervous chatter. You're not trying to impress, you're letting your energy speak for itself. That's what sticks. And every time you meet her, repeat this presence. She'll start linking you with calm safety and depth that makes you stand out. While other guys are busy chasing attention, you'll command it naturally without even trying. Stoicism gives you the strength to stay steady in a world that's always in a rush. She'll feel it. She'll want more of it. So the next time she hugs you, don't brush it off. That's your moment to be unforgettable. Not through big gestures, but through presence. The strongest memories aren't loud, they're felt. Respond like the man who doesn't need to talk much because even his silence speaks volumes. And if this hits home for you, then you're already ahead of most men. A lot of guys never unlock the power of presence. But you, and keep sharpening that calm, grounded energy, the kind women never forget.